All right, this is Bonsai Anonymous. A very frustrating morning so far. And my little mount here broke. No, I don't know, maybe I can figure out a way to use it anyway. Okay, what I got today is an experiment. And this plant, which I really like, keeps falling over. It's very light, and what I'm going to do with it instead is something different. I think you can see this over here. My watch is dead, so I can't use it for a monitor. I'm trying to not be upset today, and it's not easy. Okay, so I'd like that to be somewhat like that. Okay, so this is a pot that I made a while ago. Excuse me if I'm a little befuddled today. I had a kind of a bad accident the other night, and I'm not quite with it yet. Passed out and banged my head on the floor. You know, as opposed to the regular banging on the head of my head on the floor that I usually do. So anyway, a long time ago, I planted some plants in a pot about this thick, yeah, about this tall. And as they grew, of course, the roots, as it packed the plant, the thing, it wove around the pot. And then I gradually cut the pot off, so what we had was this little kind of almost basket of roots. And as time goes on, I still have the plant, it's doing well, but the basket of roots is slowly disintegrating because, of course, they're in the air, and some of them are going down to the dirt. But it's cool looking. This plant, by the way, that's the front right there. This plant is ixora, and I have been wiring it to do weird things. So it's okay, and it's growing fine, but it ends up on the ground all the time. And the reason that it does is it's so light and it has a very small bottom. So I decided what I would do is I would try to combine the two ideas that I have over there by taking this, putting it in here, wiring it down with these, wiring the root ball down with these 4, then doing it with bonsai soil and letting the roots fill down. And then gradually over time, what I figured I would do is maybe put a little shorter rim here, put it in, and then pull the tall one out so the dirt is a little above the rim. Okay, so but that's a long time in the future. That could be a year in the future. It takes a long time to go all the way around here. Of course, what normally happens in bonsai is when you find a pot that has the roots going all the way around you, you split them out and chop some of them off because they're kind of wasting their energy going around in a circle. But in this case, they're going to be making an extension of this pot. I think this pot is just slightly too shallow for this. I think it's about, so I want it to be about this deep with the dirt and the plant to be on top. Then with this old soda bottle cut up and fit into here, I should be able to see when the roots, you know, get up and around, and that could be, as I say, a long time. Let me see what I have over here for bonsai. There was some. Of course, there's not a bit of bonsai soil, so that means I have to make some. But anyway, that's number 1, video number 1, and we'll stop and we'll go get some bonsai soil.